Are we ready?
We're ready.
What are we doing?
Okay, we are getting ready to hike down to Rio Celeste. I know I'm not pronouncing that correctly. I think it translates as Blue River, and there's a waterfall down there with a nice blue pool, and there should be a lot of interesting plant life, trees, and maybe animals to see along the way. So we'll start heading down.
All right.
One thing that was unusual is not only did we have to make reservations to get in here, they control the entry. I'm assuming that's just so they don't have a lot of congestion, but they would not let us take any food in. And of course, you know me, I like my water and food.
Those protein bars.
I'm assuming that's because a bunch of people bringing in food and they're not careful with their food. Probably would attract animals. And then one thing that we have issues with in the Smoky Mountains, people actually intentionally feed the bears. And then they don't forage for their food naturally. They associate people with food.
Wrap it up.
And they can become dangerous.
Yep, that is true. That is probably why. Okay, I'm gonna...
And I put my rainmakers on. As soon as I put sunglasses on,
the rain
then it
came.
rains. That's why they're rainmakers.
That is. All right, we're gonna close out here for right now, and we'll see what else we come up with. I don't know why we're trying to stay dry. It's kind of funny.
They limit 6 at a time.
Okay.
They've only got 5 down there. You can go down and take the picture.
Oh, wow, mate. That is beautiful. They're not letting us get down there today, though. I guess this is a little flooded. doing it. Climbing back up now. So pretty. Really like this waterfall. Now we're gonna go up. Up that. Are you ready, Christopher?
Yep.
Ready? Do you like
I'm
the
ready.
waterfall? Alright, let's go.
You need a pole?
Yes. Well, no, I'll use the railing. It is still raining pretty hard, so I have no idea how well these videos will come out. Because it is impossible to keep your phone dry. And we smell sulfur, so we're clearly hiking around some vent for this volcano.
La vuelta no es esta, ¿no? Pero dice que continúa para allá.
Bueno, ¿podemos estar caminando o nadando?
Lo he hecho de broma, pero la broma no está
Lo único, si lo veis nadando, cuidado que tiene poco oxígeno. Cuando respiréis, que... la parte más profunda tiene 16 de potencia, la que es actual, por 30 de alto, 32 creo, de conservación. Porque ahorita estamos en temporada alta, porque en alta.
Where to next? Where are we going now?
Oh, we're heading back up.
Are we? There's nowhere else to go?
Well, I think there's a little spur down there, but
Let's go look.
pretty sure this is the end of the trail.
All right, well, we'll go look. I believe this is the bubbling from the volcano, releasing gases. Let's find Christopher. Or did he move that way? I don't even know if he saw this. Probably didn't. He's too busy hiking ahead of me. Alright, bye-bye.
Oh, the following people would like to thank, following sponsors would like to
Gracias.
thank you.
Yeah. Oh, somebody helped build this bridge. I bet that's there.
Oh, okay, yes.
Maybe that's what we need. Sponsors in the Smokies.
And I'm wondering if we've kind of done, well, they said 3 kilometers. I believe that's 1.8 miles.
Uh-huh.
We've gone past that.
Have we?
So what's your mileage?
I don't know yet. I'll look in a minute. Wow. That's so cool. All right. There you go. Another bridge. So cool. Oh, look how blue that water is. It's just cool. Wow.
Ah, no, está igual. Ya no, yo...
You see how it has that milky green color?
Mm-hmm.
That may be calcium carbonate in the water. So I think it forms carbonic acid.
Really cool.
Agua?
You can pause on that to read it. And I'll show you the picture. Right here. All right, that's pretty cool.
There's 2 rivers here forming the Rio Celeste. So there's one, there's the other. When the 2 mix, one is rich in minerals, but the mixing causes the pH, I think, to drop. And that caused some of the dissolved solids
To deposit right there,
to
that's the
deposit.
white.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you see that? And
And
then
then-
the small particles are suspended in the water,
And that gives
and
the,
they scatter light, similar to how
the sky
water
does.
droplets
Yeah,
scatter light in the rainbow.
so the river turns blue. Rio
Yeah,
Celeste.
it's a scattering phenomenon.
We are very muddy people.
I love this trail though. It's nice and soft.
Do ya? It's soft, all right. Just look at my shoes here. Look at this. Yes, almost my feet. Yes. Let's see, keep going through things like that. All right. We will check in as we climb out of here. Made it back to the bubbles. I I'm sure if you get in there, it's like a bubble bath.
It's like a bubble bath.
It's like a bubble bath.
It's like a redneck bubble bath.
Or redneck bubble bath. Oh, no one in Costa Rica will get that joke. All right. Okay, on our way back. We're almost back now. Oh, I was saying we're almost back. Whew, yep, paved road. Paved road. Which I'm actually more afraid of than the dirt. This was the Smoky Mountains, you would slide down this right now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I get the sensation I'm gonna hit something.
And slide, I know. We're preconditioned.
So far, a pretty good surface.
We're preconditioned from our normal hiking area. Whew. All right. There you go.
All right, we're back at the trailhead. It was a pretty nice hike. Rained a lot on the way there, but didn't get too uncomfortable. Wasn't a cold rain, that's for sure. Nice little hike down to the waterfall. Pretty impressive waterfall. Wish we could have got closer, but it looked like the steps down to the very bottom were damaged. But my favorite was walking towards the end, towards the headwaters of the creek, and it was just a relatively flat trail on soft dirt. And it's pretty neat to see those spring-fed streams down there.
All right. Well, I think we're back. So, let's see what else we get into. All right. We'll see you next time.